Yoroshiku Burayan da. Rated a kazu da. That's right, your boy speaks Japanese. Do something. What's up, guys? Brian here at Rated R Cars with an update to the Mustang Chronicles. As you know, my 2018 Mustang GT is down. It's in the shop. It's getting a new clutch. It's getting a new shifter. Last I heard, the flywheel is still taking until June 25th. So we're going to be out of pocket for a while. But I'm here to share something special with you guys. Again, thanks to Ford for stepping up and handling this all under warranty, you know, working to revise the clutch, giving me the updated shifter. Much appreciated. Some car companies I've worked with haven't stepped up to the plate. They've just sort of pointed the finger or, you know, ignored problems or said that problems don't exist, etc., etc. Ford is already working on this stuff, and I appreciate that. They've also taken care of me by giving me a loaner car, which I'm going to share with you shortly. It's not a Mustang GT. It's not a Ford Focus RS. It's not an EcoBoost, so it's not the things that I wanted, but it is something really cool, and I'll show it to you. So what do you think that Mustang would have given me in place of my two-seater sports car? ...2018 Ford Expedition limited edition, massive behemoth in all of its glory. I got to step back 20 feet just to get all of this bad boy into the video, and I'm actually not even kidding. We're like 50 feet. Oh my God. There she is, guys. The biggest beast I've ever driven. The car that is so big, it did not fit inside my garage. If you fold the mirrors, which automatically fold, and you drive in, there wasn't enough clearance in the front to fit this into my garage. So unfortunately, I've got to leave it outside until June. But there she is, man. Look at that juggernaut front end. Some SUVs scream badass. This one says,
I will find you, and I will kill you.
Let's do a walk around. This bad boy sits 8 passengers. Probably actually 9. 9 passengers. Now it's going to take me a while to walk around this bad boy. It's been a while since you've heard from me, but I've made it around the rear tail light on the right hand side. Hold on, this is my Uber driver. Yeah, hey. I'm going to need a ride to the front of my 2018 Ford Expedition. What do you mean you can't drive that far, bro? You can't or you won't. Hello? Hello? Son of a bitch. I'm on my own. All right, so yeah, big beast. 10-speed auto. Let's actually talk about the most important thing first, the engine. All right, guys, 3.5 liter twin turbo V6 engine making 375 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. It's an EcoBoost. And let me tell you, it's got kick. I'll take you for a ride in a little bit. 10-speed automatic transmission. It's so smooth. Why am I manually shifting my Mustang? I'm a glutton for punishment. Let's get in this bad boy. This car has full automation. Look how huge this thing is compared to my Mustang. Can you imagine getting in this bad boy for the first time? Hello! Got that AC on in those cooled seats because it is actually one hot day, finally. And we on the tri-state area out here have certainly earned a nice warm spring day. With those seats down back there, there's over 100 cubic feet of storage space. Look at that big, beautiful, part digital, part analog dash. Got the turbo boost on there. Let's see what the mileage is here. All right, not bad, not bad. About the same, a little bit worse than the Mustang. Not bad at all given the size of this thing. Average speed, yeah, we're not gonna wanna touch that. We don't want that evidence. Off-road stuff. Got a lot of safety features, the blind spot detection. Got the Bang & Olufsen stereo. 15 cup holders, man. 15! I'm trying to figure out how to drop the clutch in this bad boy. Just kidding. Got the Sync 3 system, just like in the Mustang. Couple of USBs. Anyway, this isn't a full review. I'll do a full review after driving the thing for a few weeks. This is just an overview. My God, look at this space. This is how much space you have in the Mustang. And this is how much space you have in the Expedition. Ballin'. No, not that kind of balls, you freaking perverts. Freaking perverts. This car is so big that I almost fell into one of the side bins. Bruh, you know that you are in a big car when you need a separate rear view mirror just to see what shit is going down in the rest of the car. Hey, stop having a block party back there. Why didn't they invite me? Those bastards. Here at Rated R Cars, we do not advocate drinking or using any illegal substances. Look at this gargantuan armrest. And look at the space in there. Hello! You could fit 3 bodies in there. Not that I would do that. 3 is too many. Maybe 2, but no more than that. Biggest sunroof of all time. Wireless charging pad. The rear view camera has its own washer. All right, little test of the stereo here. Really good stereo. Dennis Kenzo, the greatest producer of all time. All right, so now we're gonna take a drive in this bad boy. We're gonna go pick up my twin brother. Yeah, you guys didn't know I had a twin brother. We're gonna take a quick ride in it, go to McDonald's, get some food, and share some thoughts. Still got to get used to this dial shifter here. It's pretty cool. It's pretty effortless. A lot of the stuff in this car is designed to be effortless. A lot of convenience features like the chair and the steering wheel just like auto adjusting when you get out of the car to give you room to get out. A lot of this stuff, like so much stuff, is automated. Ford, you really made this car after a brother's own heart. Good looking out. The car engine stops when you stop for a period of time, which is good to save on gas mileage. The gas mileage actually is not bad at all in this car. The car has 4-wheel drive. Like I said, it's a 10-speed automatic. It's a massive car. It's a behemoth. Thoughts on driving, you know, a little Mustang. I hesitate to say little Mustang because it's a V8 beast. A coupe Mustang, and then driving this thing. It's like you're kind of the king of the road. I mean, in both cases, it's like you're the king of the road. In the Mustang, it's like you're the king of the road because you're in this fiery beast that, you know, you floor it and it screams and it can take out a lot of cars, a lot of other cars on the road. So you're kind of like the king of the road in that aspect. In this car, it's like you're the king of the road because you're kind of like looking down at everybody. You're in something gargantuan. And for once, after driving all sports cars all my life, for once I kind of feel like, you know what? Everybody's got to get out of my way for a change. Which is pretty cool. You know, it's like you're sort of the boss of the road. I kind of like it. I kind of like being this big and being on top of things. And now I know how guys with the, you know, the Fords, the Raptors and all that stuff, all those pickup trucks, those big, huge trucks. Now I know the allure to those guys. They like to just put down a big footprint and, you know, command respect on the road. Now, would I rather have this than my Mustang? Of course not. I'd rather command the respect of blowing people away with a 500 horsepower engine. Hopefully we get that bad boy supercharged and it's going to be more than that. But yeah, I could see myself having 2 of these. The first time I drove this thing, I was like, you know what? I want to have one of these. It's just so big and awesome. It's so like American, you know, with the SUVs. SUVs are obviously really big here in America. So I'm trying to find a road where I can give this bad boy a little bit of a launch here. All right, here we go. Oh shit! My fucking hat flew off. Now that's partially because the car threw me back and it hit the back of the hat and it fell off. But that was awesome. A car this massive with that much kick in it, and I'm surprised it's only a V6. I thought this would be like a V10 when I saw it, or at least a V8. So when I heard V6, I was like, wow, that's, you know, not that good. But that thing launches. That's 375 horsepower. It's awesome. You don't need any more power than, well, of course you do. You always need more power. What am I saying? Anyway, it's an awesome car. I'm going to give it a thorough review. Let me turn around here. I can't believe this is a V6. I mean, if it was a V6 in a coupe, that's one thing, but a V6 in this massive behemoth, it moves. Turbo boost. All right, so I'm gonna pick up my brother, and then we're gonna go to McDonald's. Hi, how you doing? I'll have a Happy Meal with a Camaro toy so I can run it over in one of my vids. Bro, what do you want? I'll have a Big Mac with pickles. I can't hear you, man. This car's too big. Speak up. I'll have a Big Mac with pickles. Big fat nipples? Pickles, bro. Pickles. You know, little green crunchy things shaped like a dick? A little green dick? Bro, what? That did not come out right. I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that. That would be appreciated. Yeah. He'll take McNuggets. Bro! You are dead to me. That's it. I'm coming back there and I'm gonna mess you up! I'm right here, bro. I don't see you coming. Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, I'm somewhere in the middle of the car. I'm lost. What do you mean take a right at the cup holders? There's fucking 15 of them. I'm so scared right now. What was that? Is anybody else in this quadrant? Help!
We're here. On the pass of Tentaclus. Go 100 meters. Take a right. What? Son of a bitch.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate all of the comments and all of the likes. Remember to hit that like button if you like it. It makes me want to keep doing this. Even though the car is going to be at the dealer for the next couple of months, I actually have a pipeline of stuff I want to do to it while it's actually at the dealer. They have agreed to let me go there and film what I need to film. So look forward to that. And as always, remember the new motto of the channel, always be kinder than necessary. And remember, you guys are awesome. You guys make the channel. Thanks again. God bless. And stay tuned for more good things coming. What? You know it looks good.